Hello, welcome to LeadMaster. In this tutorial, you will learn about campaign management. Campaigns are located under the campaign selection in the banner menu. You can see that there are 4 options here: marketing campaigns, email campaigns, lead nurturing campaigns, and landing pages. In this video, we will focus on marketing campaigns. The other 3 are discussed in separate help videos. To begin, let's look at the campaign options. We can add campaigns, download campaigns, and delete them. We can also edit campaigns. To edit, click the Edit button. Let's take a look at the 123 sample campaign. You can see from this pop-up box there is a lot of information associated with the 123 sample campaign. The only 2 required fields are the campaign name and the campaign ID. The system does a lookup for the leads associated to the campaign ID. If you need to change the campaign name, you can do that. Those leads will still be associated with that campaign ID. There is a launch date and an end date, and any manager information that you want to associate with this. There are campaign comments as well as details. These details can include projected expenses. If this is filled out, the Marketing ROI report will automatically calculate the ROI for the effectiveness of this campaign. We also have user-specific fields over here. 2 custom forms, sales and feedback, can be associated to this campaign. Being able to associate different forms to different campaigns gives extra flexibility. Custom forms are covered in a separate video. To begin, let's take a look at the Marketing ROI report. When this report is displayed, you will see the campaign name, campaign ID, campaign type, manager, and launch date. The investment is the projected expenses that we looked at before. The number of leads are the leads that have been allocated to this campaign. The cost per lead is the number of leads divided by your investment, automatically calculated within this report. Number of deals won are the leads that have a closed sales stage status. The total value is the value of all of the leads that have been closed. The ROI is calculated by the total value divided by the investment. To measure the effectiveness, we can look at the ROI. This is a quick way to determine which campaign is more effective than our other sample campaigns. This is why the Marketing ROI report is critical in showing the effectiveness of campaigns. Let's take a look at another way we can search by campaigns. Let's do a search for the 123 sample campaign. We can chart these search results. Let's chart them by sales stage. This pie chart is a visual for the sales stage of all of our leads. To drill down into lead detail, simply click the links. You can save this chart to a dashboard, you can email it, or you can create a shortcut. And this shortcut would go to the Saves Report section on the home page. This concludes a tutorial on campaign management in LeadMaster. Thanks for watching.